In Vacation Creations, there are all sorts of lists in the system, from sales to celebration, embarkation ports, ticket types. All of those lists can be adjusted by you. All you need to do is go to Administration, come down here to Manage Lists, and then up here in the corner you choose your list type. Right now we're going to look at sale types. Now there are lots of sales that are already in the system, but anything that you have added as an agency owner here, you can adjust. So for instance, this New Year's sale that was being used for a while, perhaps you don't want it anymore. You can make it inactive, save it, and let's say we're going to add a new sale today. I'm going to click on the plus. The new sale type is California resident sale. You can put a description in if you want to remind yourself what it is, but just hit save. And then now when you go into reservations and you go to make a new reservation, that particular special offer or sale will show up there as a California resident sale. And now you can see too that the New Year's sale is grayed out that we made inactive. You can't delete any of the items on that list yet, but soon that feature should be here.